Fortinet provides a solution that, at a technology layer, allows us to build the things that we need to on top that our customers demand. Foodstuffs North Island is a cooperative made up of 328 stores across the North Island. We provide shared services to that group of people. Therefore, it's important that we're able to provide a scaled solution across different store sizes that's robust and provides the service that they need so that they can concentrate on supplying their customers.
The refresh project started from end-of-life hardware in our supermarkets, which really set off a whole bunch of streams of work. We had to establish a really clear vision of what we wanted from our network solutions. And we really had to look forward into what does 10 years in the future look like. Looking to the market and the different options that we tested and evaluated, it was very clear that Fortinet was quite a different solution. It was a security-first product that is very stable, very mature, and has been around for a long time. And I think that was a very key differentiator for us in order to achieve our goals in the security space as well as in the SD-WAN space.
Fortinet product is built by engineers for engineers. And my engineering team, the people that were going to support it, were very positive around the capabilities and what it meant for them in terms of that long-term, sustainable, supportable solution.
One of the things that we were looking for was a cost-effective solution for the whole of the North Island. We needed a central configuration point where we could push that config out and use one set for all those stores.
We've got more and more connected systems in the store. We also have our distribution centres, our support centres, and we also have our main data centres. So we're needing all of these locations to be able to talk to each other.
We went out to the marketplace looking at obviously the best pricing that we could get, but also making sure that it was the best technology choice. In my years of doing tendering process for technology, it's not often that you end up with a solution that wins on both. And for the Fortinet solution, it was really good to be able to say that we got the best priced technology solution.
Technology is something that, from our store owner's perspective, just needs to work. They're not people that want the latest technology, the whiz-bang. They want to be able to deliver solutions to their customers, and they expect us to deliver the technology underneath that. The experience so far with Fortinet's been great. Having somebody that works closely with you and isn't seen as just a vendor, but they're a partner and they care about the stuff that they've sold you and that they're going to look after it and come on the journey with you.